Thank you for coming, sir.
This solidarity, people of illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir facing very close human rights violation for the last 77 years. So to express my views in this speech, I would like to call our speech.
वो कश्मीर है महबूबो मजबूरो फकीर, आज वो कश्मीर है महबूबो मजबूरो फकीर, कल जिसे अहले नजर कहते थे ईराने सगीर, कह रहा है दास्ता बेदर्दी अय्याम की, कोह के दामन में वो बमखानाए दहकान भी। Respected teachers, honorable chief guests, and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today we have gathered here on Kashmir Solidarity Day to express our unity, concern and support for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmir is a land known for its natural beauty, snow-covered mountains, green valleys, and behind this beauty lies a painful reality. For decades, the people of Kashmir have lived under conflict, hardships and uncertainty. They have faced restrictions, loss of life and violation of basic human rights. सुना है बहुत सस्ता है खून बहा का, सुना है बहुत सस्ता है खून बहा का, एक बस्ती जिसे लोग कश्मीर कहते हैं. Honorable Chief Guest, the Kashmir issue began in 1947. Since then, it has remained unresolved, despite several United Nations resolutions that recognize the right of Kashmiri people to decide their future through a free and fair plebiscite. Unfortunately, this promise has yet to be fulfilled. In today's world, silence in the face of injustice is equal to supporting oppression. As young students and a responsible citizen, it is our duty to speak the truth and to stay informed. We must understand this is not only a political dispute, but it is a human issue involving men, women, children and families who dream of a normal and peaceful life. Honorable Chief Guest, Kashmir lives in our